videotaping.
Oh.
Trying to take a picture. We'll just keep videotaping. Jessica? Oh my god. And we pretty much just cut his hair. Yeah, and I straightened it all the way. No more pookiness. So, I wasn't planning on making a video, but, yeah, that's okay, look at the camera, look at the camera. I am half an inch. So, yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to do. It's like my first video in ages.
I need better hairspray.
I need big sexy hair. $20 a can. Last shit month. We're all blurry. Not the picture. The infamous gun that everyone's like, oh my god, where'd you get that gun? I got it from eBay. Oh, I can zoom. Oh my god, I can zoom. Hello, Mr. Kanza.
This always comes in handy.
Okay, that was random. See what's inside the cabinet. Yeah, that's just awesome. Gotta smell pretty.
Actually, oh, that's where it's at. I don't even heard of it. I know you said using that one. That smells good.
Smell it? Mmm. Yummy.
I'm still using that one. I was wondering where it was at.
Pretty meal. Okay.
Yeah, I need to clean it.
Okay, well, we're gonna go take pictures now. By MySpace and YouTube. And